Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make festive rice. In Japanese, it's Osekihan. This dish we usually make at celebration, like after passing the exams, an entrance of the school, or graduation. So it's kind of a celebration dish. And these days, I gave birth my second child 3 weeks ago. So I feel like cooking this dish. In this dish, we usually use glutinous rice, not traditional Japanese rice. And glutinous rice has like a sticky, we say mochi-mochi, like a taste. I love the combination of glutinous rice and red beans. And since it's autumn, so I want to add a little bit twist. So this time I will use sweet potato as a special ingredient. Are you ready to make this dish? Okay, let's start it. Here are the ingredients. Okay, now the festive rice is done, so let's start tasting. Itadakimasu. It's very sticky. And also sweet potato is steamed very well with red beans, so I like it. Oh, and the final touch, I sprinkled black sesame with salt. We say gomashio in Japanese. You can buy gomashio, the special bottle at supermarkets. And after giving birth in Japan, it is said Japanese moms should eat Japanese food a lot. It's also said if you eat glutinous rice, you can nurse very well, long time. So I'm now trying to eat this rice as much as possible. If you have never tried this dish, please try it out. When you have a question, please feel free to ask me down below. So thank you for watching. So see you next time. Bye.